Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you will trade on Binance platform. I'm going to show you the simple processes to trade on Binance, even if you don't have the knowledge of cryptocurrency, even if you just know a newbie to cryptocurrency. I will show you how to trade on Binance platform as simple as possible. So for instance, you have Notcoin, or you have Shiba Inu, or you have Dogecoin, or you have Ethereum, but you want to trade it to USDT. You want to convert it to USDT and send that to someone, and you are here cracking your head. How do I convert my Notcoin to USDT on Binance platform? So here is the simple approach to do that. So when you log into your Binance, open your Binance account like this, then look down below. You will see wallet, you will see features, you will see trade, you see market, you see home. Let's say in my wallet, let's go to my wallet. I have Notcoin. Here is the Notcoin I have. I want to convert all my 1,460 Notcoin to USDT. So how do I do this? I will look down below, then I will click trade. If you click at trade, you will come out to this point is showing you this. So what you need to do is look at the up top. You will see convert, spot, merging, fiat, P2P, auto invex. So what do? You click the convert. If you click the convert, it will come to this point. It will ask you, which coin do you want to convert to which coin? Look at the top, you will see from, you will see to. So since I want to, you can click the Notcoin and select any coin of your choice. But in this case, we are converting Notcoin to USDT. So I will just click Notcoin, and I will click this and select USDT. So I will now click at max, or I can type how many pieces I want to convert. But in this case, we are converting all. So I click max, and I will look down below and click preview conversion. So once you click preview conversion, and you see there is a timer convert, and it's showing me how many seconds. So if I'm slow enough, the seconds will run off and we start counting again. So 1,460.5 Notcoin will give me, okay, let me just leave later. Let me just take 1,460, and I'll click preview conversion, and in this will give me 32.69 USDT. So I click convert and allow it to read. So that's as simple as that. I've converted my 1,460 Notcoin to USDT, and that's just it. They just take a fraction of fee, sometimes a fraction of fee that is in cents, not much. So this is the simple way to convert any of your cryptocurrencies. So I can just move back to my wallet. You see my Notcoin is gone. It's now in USDT. So as you see this simple approach I showed you, you can easily trade any of your cryptocurrency on Binance platform to USDT, to any coin of your choice. Once you go to the conversion area, you convert to any coin of your choice. So thank you for watching, and try to engage. Subscribe to our channel if you love what we are showing you here, and share our videos to people who might need this. I know a lot of people need this. People pay money for this, but we'll keep bringing you with hot information for free here. So be with us, subscribe to this channel, and see you in our next video.